The temperatures have been the big story in weather for the past week. Last weekend, last Sunday even, 75, and then we were back down into the 40s for Monday and Tuesday. 60s return for the second half of the week, and then yesterday, 73 was our high, and it was another warm one today, as most of North Carolina saw highs in the 70s, even from Greenville down to Charleston, 79 degrees. So a warm day for many areas around us, and it certainly was windy. If you walked outside, you got hit by some of these wind gusts right along I-40. We saw 40-mile-per-hour winds or higher at times. Other areas 25, 30, 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts today. That's why we had the red flag warning to really reduce any outdoor burning. And we're going to continue, not a warning, but just an advisory coming up for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine for today and really across the southeast as high pressure dominates our weather. We'll keep skies mostly clear overnight tonight, but that means it's going to be cold in the morning. We're talking 37 degrees in the morning. So an elevated fire risk will continue for Monday and into Tuesday as well. So one of the reasons is it's still going to be breezy, but not as windy as what we saw today. And that's one of the main reasons why we don't have that red flag warning for tomorrow. But we could still see some wind gusts get up to 20 and 25 miles per hour. Combine that with continued low humidity, and any fires that develop could spread quickly when you get one of those wind gusts. So please avoid burning, delay it for at least the next couple of days. And of course, we continue to see that minor drought status as we are lacking any meaningful rain. We've had a few sprinkles, light rain showers here or there, but not enough to really make an impact here in the Piedmont Triad. Cold front came through. That's what brought us that lower humidity and also those breezy conditions today. But as high pressure takes over, we're going to see lots of sunshine, but also some cooler temperatures coming up for tomorrow. It's going to be a little bit of a shock to the system, not the 40s like what we saw last Monday and Tuesday, but still we're only looking at highs in the upper 50s. And after this weekend in the 70s, you're going to feel that difference. We're going to keep things dry until overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Northern counties have a chance of seeing some light rain showers. Again, this is not impactful in terms of how much rain we're going to get. After that, the next chance of rain will be overnight Friday night into Saturday morning. Unfortunately, it still looks like light scattered rain showers, so not a big increase to the rain bucket. Something interesting that's going to be happening in our upper level is a ridge starts to develop in the second half of the week. And the reason why that's significant is it's going to allow for more of a flow from the southwest, which is a very warm wind. So we're actually going to see temperatures get back into the 70s for the second half of the week. Overnight tonight, though, 7 degrees, and then for tomorrow, a good amount of sunshine, just a few clouds, but cooler. 59 will be your high temperature. The next 7 days, we're in the 60s for Tuesday, but 70s for Wednesday and the rest of the week, and next weekend's looking nice as well.